Good morning, children. This is Astha Mishra, your science teacher. Children, we will study chapter 3. This is the part 3 video. I will continue this chapter. Today in this video, we will study about how does a bird fly and bird's food habit, nest of some interesting birds, and caring for the young ones. So children, let's start. How does a bird fly? This is the first topic in this video. Children, a bird flaps its wings to push through the air and rises up slowly into the air. Its wings make two types of movement, upward movement and downward movement. The upward movement is called the upstroke and the downward movement is called the downstroke. In an upstroke, the wings are thrown upwards and backwards, while in a downstroke, the wings are pushed downwards and forwards. The tail helps to change the direction of the flight. Some birds fly at a great height, like examples, eagles and vultures. Sparrows fly very low. Birds like pigeons and crows can fly over long distances. Some birds can fly only short distances like hens and peacocks. Some birds cannot fly at all. They are called flightless birds. Like examples, ostrich, penguin, kiwi and emu. There is an info buzz. Which bird is it? Yes, this is hummingbird. A hummingbird can flap its wings 90 times in just a second. Yes, children, 90 times in just a second. Learn it. It is very important. Now children, food habits. Birds eat their food habits with their beaks. They have different kinds of beaks depending on their eating habits. Birds like parrots, sparrows, pigeons and hens eat insects, nuts, seeds, fruits and grains. Birds like ducks, herons, pelicans and penguins eat fish. Birds of prey like eagles, vultures and hawks eat the flesh of other animals. Woodpecker make holes in the trunk of the trees and catch a small insect from the trunk. Sunbirds and hummingbirds have long and pointed beaks to suck nectar from the flowers. Next topic is nest of some interesting birds. Like all living being, birds also needs shelter. So a bird's home is called a nest. Birds build nests to live, lay eggs and raise their babies. See? Birds make their home for what? To live, to raise their babies and to lay eggs. Yes, nests save them from their enemies and bad weather. They make their nest on trees, rooftop, poles, broken walls, old buildings or even on tops of fans. Nests are made of different things like straw, twigs, cotton, wool, leaves, hair, feather, etc. Children, different birds make different kinds of nests. There is an infobuzz. The kingfisher makes a hole on the banks of a river. And bulbuls and sparrows make cup-shaped nests. Now children, we will study about different birds make different kind of nests. So in this we will study 4 kinds of birds: tailor birds, weaver birds, woodpecker birds and penguin. So first we are going to discuss about tailor bird. A tailor bird makes its nest with 2 or 3 large leaves. It uses its needle-like beak to sew the leaves together using materials like wool, hay, straw or thread. It makes its nest warm by lining it with wool, cotton, grass, etc. Next bird, weaver bird. Weaver birds weave their nest with leaves, grass and twigs. The nest hangs down from a branch of a tree. There is a tunnel-like opening at the bottom of the nest and through which the bird enters the nest. Okay. Woodpecker. A woodpecker lives on a tree. It uses its strong pointed beak to make a hole in the trunk of a tree. It uses this hole as its nest and lines it with fine strips of wood. Next, penguin. Penguins live at extremely cold places where it is difficult to find grass, twigs and straw. So, they make their nest out of pebbles and small stones. They make their nest on the ground. I hope you understood these 4 birds' nests. Caring for the young ones. Next topic it is. Once the nest is ready, birds lay their eggs in the nest. They sit on the eggs to keep them warm till the young ones come out. This is called a hatching. The parent birds look after the young ones. They feed them, they protect them, they keep them warm and protect them from enemies. That's all for children. Thank you. Have a good day.